Good afternoon, everyone. This is Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston coming to you today. I'd like to talk to you about the 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. The Boston Whaler Montauk has been in the whaler line as long as almost every model they make. The 150 is a great boat to get you out on the water. The boat has a tremendous amount of room, especially for a boat in the 15 to 16 foot category. The one we have today, you can see it has the split bow rail, which makes it easy to transition on and off the front of the boat. We ordered this boat with the bow cushion, as well as a fishing package, which has the rod holders and cooler seat here. And as we move around the boat, part of the fishing package includes the tackle drawers that are recessed in the console here. On this boat as well, there is plenty of room on the dash to mount the electronics of your choice. They do have a storage area up on top of the dash, along with cup holders and a plug-in for electronic devices. You have the reversible helm seat here that has 4 different positions that you can move the backrest, whether you want to face the rear of the boat or you'd like to stand and lean back against the leaning post. This particular boat is powered with the 4-stroke Mercury 60 horsepower engine, which is plenty of power to get the boat up and going. You do have the swim ladder back on the back of the boat, as well as a built-in 12-gallon tank. The boat does come with the custom-built galvanized trailer that has the swing-away tongue, so if you're trying to stow it in a tight area, you can pick up a couple of additional feet of space on the boat. One of the neat things with this boat is even the anchor light up front on this is all solid stainless steel and is meant to actually put your anchor line in to keep it from running up and down the front of the boat and chafing your rub rail. Again, this is a 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk, brought to you by MarineMax of Charleston. Please give us a call at 843-747-1889 or come shop us at MarineMax.com. Again, Larry Carson coming to you from MarineMax. Thank you.